got a gift came in the mail. I'm right here, everyone. Okay, I got no nails.
Did you get?
Did I get what?
It's heavy.
I know it's heavy.
You gotta get in here. You can't. Nobody can see you. Look
I'm right here. See me? Here I am.
Do you see me?
They don't need to see me. They can see my lovely arm.
They taped the crap out of this.
I know. That's why I got you here, because you got nails. Let's see what it is. Old Time Garage.
Yeah, but who's it for? I don't know if it's for you or me.
I don't know. It's from Regina, Saskatchewan. Who out there is from Regina, Saskatchewan that's sending us gifts? We normally don't like to get gifts, but I'll take them anyway. What is this?
Security camera?
No! A security camera? Have you not watched my videos? You've not seen who I am?
I think it's just the box it's in.
I have like bats and... Well, we won't say what I've got laying around the house.
Did you say bats?
I could incarcerate myself and go to jail. Oh. Oh, it's got our names on it.
Rick.
Rick. Oh, wait a minute.
Hi guys, keep up the great videos. Don't let the bastards grind you down, Barry. Aww.
The bastards try and grind us down lots, you know that? You got one that says your name on it.
You open yours first.
Mine's a book. I think it's a book, or maybe it's a record. I've heard of these new flip-flop records. Anyway, let's go for this.
Did you say flip-flop records?
Yeah, I don't know. It's Monday today. So, I'm, oh, cold and plastic. Look at this. Oh my God.
Can everybody see that? Maybe I'll get the picture.
Alright, you get that and then I'll get it when you do yours.
Alright, here.
Here we go.
Hang on, I
got
gotta...
myself.
There.
There you go, look at this. Hot Rod Magazine Yearbook. Wally Parks. Oh my God.
That's cool.
It's awesome. Look at this. Oh my God.
Oh, that's cool. Look at the headliner.
Yeah. You know, you guys don't have to do this. This isn't, I know, I mean, I love receiving gifts. Who doesn't like receiving a gift? But you really don't have to do this. I mean, we're not going to stop doing the videos anytime soon that I'm aware of. Well, I am going to retire soon one day. But that'll never happen because the grinder's out there. This one's all sealed up. This was a special one. Look at this. Custom car contest. Hop up. 1953. Look at that paint job on this thing if you can get it. It's metal flake.
Oh, that's cool. Look at the headlights.
Let's look at this. Look at all the people that write in.
Yeah.
I love reading when people write in.
Oh, look at her. She's a cutie pie.
She's got her bullet bra on.
Yeah, she does.
That was a thing in the day.
Wow.
That was, yeah. She is a cutie. Oh, it's a Mercury. Oh, no, it's a Chevy. Sorry.
I thought it was a Merc too, like a 40.
Oh my God.
That's cool.
This is awesome.
Ooh. Oh. Did you just sniff that book?
Somebody should make cologne that smells like that.
Yeah,
I
they
would wear
should.
it all day long. Rick, you smell like a musty magazine. Fuck yeah, I do. Oh my God. Okay.
That's cool.
This is the shit that I want to start to build and do. Oh!
Whoa!
Look at
that
them.
Mercury! Mercury!
Oh! You know what I want to do with this page? Let's photocopy
Photocopy
it
it
and see if we can blow it up and hang it up in the shop.
Yeah, that's cool.
You don't get... Let me see.
What is it? Are they... Oh yeah, it is a Bears.
Oh yeah, the Bears, yeah.
Valley Custom
Oh,
Shop.
and there's more, it says.
That's cool.
This is the stuff we're going to start to do here. We're just going to start to do this stuff. Okay, okay, it's your turn.
Oh yeah, I forgot I got something.
You got something.
All right.
Won't be as good as mine.
How do you know? Maybe this is better.
Oh, well then. Oh, manuals? Is that a manual? What is that? What is it?
There's no crying in the shop.
Yeah, we don't allow crying in the shop. Ever. Oh my God.
I don't even know what to say right now.
Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Barry, keep his address. Look at that. It's like new.
I'm shaking like crazy right now.
You know, we have so many subscribers. I'm not trying to be an asshole here.
Chassis parts catalog.
And Barry's going to hate me. What has Barry written into us? I know. I can't. I'm drawing a blank.
Are you talking about what he wrote into us about this gift? He said to write. He said that he was sending something and to make sure that you recorded my reaction.
That's right.
Look it's all the parts.
Oh my God, Barry, you've gone out of your way, man. You've gone out of your way. I'm serious. I don't know what to tell you here. Like, I got to give you something. I got to send you a gift, man. I got to give you something. We got his email, right?
Yeah.
Right to Barry, find out what he drinks or what he likes, and because I don't know Barry. There's so many of you guys out there on YouTube. You guys gotta. You don't need to do this, people. Seriously.
These books are worth a fortune, first of all, and I feel bad because I know how much they're worth. I don't even know what to say right now.
Well, hopefully hopefully it'll tell you that when Rick chops your car and messes it up.
I'm not chopping it. I am.
No.
Yeah. Because you'll just whack it off and be like, "Oh, we'll fix it later," and I want to do it the way I want to do it.
But everything I chopped lately, I just cut the roof off and stick it back on. You have to admit, it just turns out gorgeous.
Yeah, but they're not my car.
Oh.
Anyways, don't make it about you.
Oh, we'll make it about Barry. Is who we'll make it about. Barry.
I appreciate that a lot.
What can we say to Barry? That's it. Get hold of him. Ask him what he likes, what he wants.
Yeah.
We got to give him something.
This is crazy.
This is crazy. This is a way to start a Monday out. It's an awesome way to start a Monday out. I mean,
I don't even know what to say.
You have to admit, the Mercury head was pretty cool.
Yeah, it's on the back of this one. This is the parts catalog. Look at this.
Yeah. It's the hat.
Yeah. This is crazy. This is crazy. Super, super crazy.
These are all crazy. Look at, like, I've never even seen this. Like, look at these. Like, look at that engine. That was the day when an engine was an engine. Like, look how beautiful it looks. Nowadays, it's just covered up with a bunch of plastic. So you can't even see it.
Or work on it.
Yeah, well, who wants to work on it? Okay, well, we're signing off. You're going to email Barry.
Thanks, Barry.
Thanks, Barry.
Thanks
Big
for making
thumbs
me
up.
cry on frickin' YouTube.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, guys. Well, please, nobody else, don't do this. It's not what we expect. Okay, it's always a good time, an old time, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks, guys.